Ever wondered how to easily direct clients or friends to your Zillow presence? To begin, open your Zillow app or visit Zillow.com on your web browser. Once on the main page, locate and tap or click the More icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, usually found in the bottom right corner if you're on the app, or the top right if you're on the desktop side. This will open a side menu or drop-down list. From this list, find and select Profile to access your personal Zillow account details. On your profile page, you'll see various options to get your shareable link. You need to view your profile as others see it. Look for and tap or click View Profile or My Profile, which will display your public-facing Zillow page. Now you're on your public Zillow profile. To share it, scroll down slightly if needed, and look for a share icon. This is typically an arrow pointing upwards out of a box or 3 dots connected by lines, usually found near the top right or bottom of your profile details. Tap or click this share icon. A sharing options menu will pop up from here. Select Copy Link or Copy URL. This action instantly saves your unique Zillow profile link to your device's clipboard. With the link copied, you can now paste it anywhere you like. Simply open a message, email, social media post, or any platform where you want to share your Zillow profile, and then paste the link into the text field. It's that simple. You've successfully located and copied your Zillow profile link, making it effortless to direct anyone to your Zillow presence. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate tech tips.